Alright, let's go see what's in there.
It's in the bag.
Is that from your auntie Nana? You can open it. No, pull open the bag.
Yeah, pull open the little bag. That's a note. We'll read that after, okay?
No.
London, just open the rest of the bag right now. We'll read the note after.
Open the rest of the bag first.
Yeah.
You'll open that later. Well, come on.
Need help? Hey, you gotta undo this. You pull that string on that side, I'll pull this one. Pull. Alright. Apparently it's childproof.
There. There you go. No, oh, wait.
What the heck?
Careful.
Yep.
Careful.
Oh, yay! More of those!
Now, what are they? The Super Ninja?
Are there more? Look what's in the other. There's more stuff in there, too.
No, special edition.
More?
Wow.
Special,
The Power Rangers.
They
Oh, they are?
More Power Ranger ones.
Well, there's something else still in there, too, bud, in the bag.
Special edition.
Yeah, look, stepping over all the other ones in my house, too. What? Wow. I don't even know if we have any room for all those.
11 ninjas?
What do you say to Auntie Kim?
Thank you.
Hey.